Okay, today we are going to pack on a PC. So this is the screen. I'm at a pack station. I'm going to pack. So I'm going to wander over. I'm going to select a trolley and scan it. And I can pick up any item out of that trolley and scan it. And it opens up the goods out note. Now the goods out note is your dispatch note. That's what we're going to pack and print out the label and then dispatch. And now I'm just going to find the items in the trolley. So we need another two size 10B. Now we're onto the red size 10, onto the 12s. And you can, as you find the items, oh, I've scanned the wrong item, too many. So errors when I scan an incorrect barcode or try to pack too many items. So now we're looking for the 12 reds, and now we're packed. This is a very flexible interface, so I could change the weight if I wanted to add in a specific weight for all these items. I could change the packaging. The packaging has dimensions, weight, etc. assigned to it, which we can push through to your couriers. I could change the address, so if the address came through as wrong and I needed to correct it, I could type in the postcode and there's a lookup. I could also change the courier service if I needed to. So this one actually needs to go by Royal Mail. Click and drop. So now we have packed all those items. If I wanted to, I could split this out into a consignment and create a second or third or fourth package. And now, we've finished the pack. I'm just going to hit dispatch. This would normally be pre-selected with a label 6x4, for example. I'm going to hit dispatch. That takes me back to the screen, and now I'm just picking up the next item in the trolley and I'm away again. So I'm just rinsing and repeating until I've packed all the items that were sitting in trolley number one, uh, printing all my courier and freight labels on demand, and you've got a nice user-friendly packing interface to streamline your warehouse operations. So that's packing on a PC using Stok.ly.